Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, I'm going to give you my long-term prediction on Polygon's MATIC token. Sorry, I kind of forgot what I was doing there for a second. Anyway, it's morning, whatever. I'm still trying to wake up. Anyway, whatever. As always, guys, hey, if you like my content, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up because it really helps me out. And hey, why not, right? And also, guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description as well. I'm very active on Twitter. I love crypto Twitter. I'm addicted to it. It's a lot of fun over there. So, yeah, go ahead, follow me over there. We'll have a lot of fun. So, as far as MATIC goes, guys, I'm all about the long term. For those of you who don't know me, I'm all about the long term. I've been holding on to various coins for 5+ years. I'm always adding new coins. I'm always adding something to my long term positions. I just added three more new coins the other day, 2 long-term 5 to 10+ year holds, and I've got a video about that coming out in a few days. But other than that, guys, as we can see here with MATIC, short-term wise, this isn't part of my long-term prediction, but short-term wise, just looking at the chart here, as we can see, you guys, it's it's been going down for quite a while, but it bounced right here. It bounced right here, right around 67 cents or so, and it's been trending upwards for quite a bit now. So it's pretty nice looking. But as many of you guys know, this does not. This has nothing to do with my long-term analysis for finding out what I think, where coins could go in the future for long-term predictions. So we're gonna head over to CoinMarketCap and see what we can figure out. All right, guys, so CoinMarketCap. For what I do for long-term predictions is I figure out, based on its circulating supply and future market caps and current market caps and stuff like that. And, well, you'll see what I do. All right, so what we're going to do here, you guys, is, 5 to 10+ years from now, the circulating supply, the max supply is 10 billion, all right? So it's not going to go higher than that, Anyway, circulating supply currently is 6.4 billion. In 5 to 10+ years, that could be closer to that 10 billion number. So, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a number that's higher than the current circulating supply, because obviously in 5 to 10 years, the number is going to be a lot higher than 6.4 billion. So I'll probably use, just for the sake of this video, hey, I'll probably go with 8 billion, just for fun. So we'll go with 8 billion. And the current all-time high for MATIC would be, what's current all-time high? We got $2.68. All right, let's see what we can do here. Now, I'm not all about the moon stuff, guys. I'm not going to sit here and tell you MATIC is going to go to $100, okay? Maybe it could, I don't know, but I'm not about that. I like to look at things from a realistic perspective. This is my real money I'm talking about, so I do this from a very serious perspective. And, because, I want potential gains in 5 to 10+ years. This is for my retirement. I hold for so long for a potential retirement. So, hey, if you don't like how conservative I am, then this video is probably not going to be for you. But, hey, let's see what we got. We're going to go with 8 billion. So we got 8 billion, all right, and we're going to multiply it by, I want to see if it can go to, I want to see if it's, if $5 is a good number, all right? Because, from where it's at right now, $1 to $5, gosh, that'd be nuts. So multiply that by $5 would give us a roughly average market cap of $40 billion, okay? Current market cap is sitting at $6.6 billion at the time of filming right now as well, just to give you a general idea of it. But if it went up to $5, you guys, it'd be roughly about $40 billion, or around there, give or take, not exact that number, but, around there. So we're going to head over here, and as you guys can see, market caps are currently, where they're at. Bitcoin market cap is 718 billion. Ethereum 266.7 billion. But guys, in 5 to 10+ years, these numbers are obviously going to be much higher. Okay, they're not going to be where they're at right now. So don't even think about the current market cap numbers. But if we were to think about the current market cap numbers, so if we were to take $40 billion in relation to where the market currently is, it would currently sit roughly in the 4 to 5 spot right now, right above Cardano, right below Binance Coin. Which, I guess it's possible for a coin like MATIC, but again, we're talking in 5 to 10+ years from now. And, a $40 billion market cap, Cardano and Binance Coin or BNB Coin, they're probably going to be closer, they're probably going to be much higher. They're probably going to be sitting at the market cap ranges of where Ethereum is right now. So to say that, I honestly could see a coin like Polygon Matic having a market cap, that much higher in 5 to 10 plus years. I mean, it's definitely possible. It's not impossible. It's not out of the question. So you have to look at it from a lot of different perspectives, especially when you're dealing with long-term stuff here. Again, TA isn't going to tell you anything about, 5 to 10 plus years from now. So that's why I don't really touch TA for 5 to 10 plus predictions like this, you guys. You can obviously tell that overall it's going to go up, obviously. But, from a general standpoint of, figuring out if you want to put your money into something for the long term, getting the general idea of where it could go based on, market cap levels and stuff like that. That's kind of what you need to do here. So honestly, guys, $40 billion at $5, that seems pretty conservative to me. I mean, I'd feel comfortable doing that. I mean, honestly, I currently don't hold anything in Polygon Matic, but I think I probably will. I'd like to potentially get in right at $1. That would be awesome. I mean, think about that, guys. You're buying at $1 and you hold for, let's do this real quick, just for fun. Let's say you're putting in $2,500, okay, just for fun. Divide that by, $1. That's obviously going to give you 2,500 coins. Hold that for 5 years, 5 to 10 years or whatever. And then 5 to 10 years, it goes up to $5. Obviously you're going to come out with, $12,500 on that one small investment. Now, when you're holding long term, you're obviously going to be buying more and more when the price dips. Between now and 10 years from now. So again, when it dips after different bull markets and stuff like that, you'll obviously want to continue to buy more. But so obviously you're going to have more than 2,500. So but that just gives you a general idea of what it would come out to. Now imagine if you have like $10,000 to put into it, you guys. That's going to give you 10,000 coins, and then in 5 to 10 plus years, that's you're going to come out with a good $50,000. That's a $40,000 profit in 5 to 10 plus years. That's way more than you'd get from anywhere else. So hey, it's a good thing to hold these things long term and reap those benefits. So overall, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead with my prediction of, in 5 to 10 plus years, long term, I think it could easily go to $5. Now, as far as $10, let's see we can do the math. 10 times 8, because we were doing 8, an $8 billion market cap. 8 times 10 would be an $80 billion market cap. And I guess that's not, that's not out of the question either. Between 5 to 10, somewhere between $5 to $10, I think is a relatively, 5 being on the low side and saying that it could probably easily get to $5, and then 10 being on the very high side. I mean, I'd feel comfortable going, thinking that it could go within those ranges. But anyway, guys, if you buy today and hold for 5 to 10 plus years, hey, you're going to probably be looking really, really good in 5 to 10 plus years. So, just keep that in mind. So overall, guys, I think that's going to pretty much do it for this video. I've got really nothing else to say other than, hey, 5 to 10 plus years, $5 to $10. That's my prediction for this one. So, all right, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. But before you guys leave, if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. The link is in the video description. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me. And hey, with that said, you guys, thanks for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in my future videos.